Morning. Today I'll be discussing the worksheet that I have posted in the previous class. So some of you have posted me the solutions. The problem with them, that is the solutions which you have done. Some problems are very much clear that you have done that very clearly. Whereas for a few problems, when the numbers are of this kind, that is say some 3 and 4, if we want a number to be found out between 3 and 4, you people are struggling. So let me discuss that first and then we move on to this. That is how to find terminating decimals, non-terminating repeating decimals, or a non-terminating non-repeating decimals between the given numbers. And then we move on to this. So that will be much more constructive on this worksheet. So for suppose say you have two numbers, 2 and 3. Now if you want to write a terminating decimal or any kind of decimal number between 2 and 3, what you do is, whenever you are given 2, you can assume that as 2.0 and you can assume 3 as 3.0. Now when you want numbers between 2.0 and 3.0, you extend one decimal place. Here you have only one decimal, extend one more. For example, 2.01. 2.01 lies between 2.0 and 3.0. That is a terminating decimal. If you want a terminating repeating decimal, put 1 bar. That is a non-terminating repeating decimal. If you want non-terminating non-repeating decimal, just write 1 and any kind of numbers where there is no repetition. That will suffice the requirement. So just increase the number of decimal places. That will give you the numbers between the given two numbers. So that is the case that applies for every pair of numbers. For suppose 0.70 and 0.71. Now if you want to write a decimal, if you want to write a rational number or an irrational number between that, extend the decimal place. Say 0.70 some 5. That is a terminating decimal and lies between these two numbers. If you want a non-terminating repeating decimal, say some 5 bar. Or if you want non-terminating non-repeating decimal, after 5 you increase the number. That's just increase the decimal place, increase the number of decimal places, then that number lies between the given two numbers. So that will be the funda for writing writing a terminating or a non-terminating repeating decimal or a non-terminating non-repeating decimal between the given two numbers. In other words, writing a real number between the given two numbers. So basing on this, I will be going with the worksheet. Look into that. Find any two irrational numbers between 1 by 5 and 2 by 7. 1 by 5 and 2 by 7, first convert them into their respective decimal expansion, then that will be easier for us to find any number of rational numbers. So 1 by 5, 1 by 5 is how much? 0.2. 1 by 5 is 0.2. No, calculate 2 by 7. 2 by 7 is how much? 2 by 7 is 2 is less than 7, so the point and take 0. 7 2 is 14, and you have 6. 6 is less than 7, take 0 because you have already placed the decimal point. 7 8s are 56. 4, then what else? 4.075 is 35, and you have 5 here, and the 7 you can take 0 here. 7 7s are 49. 1, and it keeps moving like that. You can continue till you find a repeating decimal, or else you can leave it there, like 2 by 7 is equal to 0.2857 ... You can keep that dot and saying that keeps moving. Now you can easily write rational numbers or irrational numbers between these two numbers. Now assume this as 0.20. Now 0.20 and 0.28. You need not consider this. You can go with the first two decimal places. Now you can write any number of rationals or irrational numbers between these two. Now we want only two irrational numbers. So increase the number of decimal places. That will give you an irrational number. That is say 0.205273598, so on. Any number of this kind, that is non-terminating non-repeating decimal, is your irrational number. You can also write one more, increase the decimal 0 0 5 or 0 0 6 3 1 2 9 so on. So this is a non-terminating non-repeating decimal. So likewise you can write any number of irrational numbers or rational numbers between the given two rational numbers or given two irrational numbers. Next, find irrational number between 3 and 4. 3 4. So assume that this is 3.0 and this is 4.0. Increase the number of decimal places, that will give you the numbers between 3 and 4. So we want irrational number. So write an irrational number. It is 3.157 dot dot dot. I have increased the number of decimal places. That's it. If I increase the number of decimal places, that will be alright. Or for this particular problem, we have this. That is, if a and b are two positive numbers, then root AB is your irrational number if AB is not a perfect square. Now check out whether AB is a perfect square or not. That is root 3 into 4. Root 3 into 4 is root 12. 12 is not a perfect square, therefore that is an irrational number. Next. Find at least find two irrational numbers between 0.7 and 0.77. 0.7, 0.77. Now 0.7 you can write it as 0.70. Now increase the number of decimal places and write a non-terminating, non-repeating decimal, that will be your irrational number. That is 0.702 and write any one. That will be between 0.70 and 0.77. Just increase the number of decimal places. That will be the clue. Find an irrational number between 5/7 and 7/9. Again the same thing, just like the first problem. Convert that into decimal expansions, then write the numbers. Next, root 2 and root 7. Again you know how to extract root 2. We have already done, which is 1.414 and it goes on. That is an irrational number. And the root 7. So root 7 we have also done how to calculate the square root of a given number using different process. Suppose say you want to calculate up to 3 decimal places. So put a point and take 3 pairs of zeros. So the nearest perfect square to 7 is 4. 4 is 2 2's. So 7 minus 4 is 3. Carry a pair of zeros. Now put a point here. Since we have carried a pair of zeros, next plus 2. So this 2 plus 2 is 4. Whatever the number you write here, you will multiply with the same number. Suppose 4 you are writing 7, you will multiply with 7. 7 7s are 49, 4, 7 4s are 28, 28 plus 4 is 32. It is going more than 300, so I will go with 6. 6 6 are 36, 3, 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 3 is 27. So this is 6 times 6. So this is 276. So carry this pair of zeros. Then this is 4 and this is 2, 24. So add upon 6 here. 0, yeah. So this is 52. Or else we'll stop it here. We'll stop it with 2.6, 2.6 so on. Here our aim is not to extract the square root of 7 but to find an irrational number between root 2 and root 7. So I have already got a root 2 value which is 1.414 and root 7 is something 2.6 so on. So consider one decimal place 1.4 and 2.6. Now increase the decimal place and write a non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. That is 1.4, say some 5, 6, 7, so on. That lies between 1.4 and 2.6, which means that number lies between root 2 and root 7. This is one way of doing for this problem. The other way is, between root 2 and root 7, we can have root 3, we can have root 5, we can have root 6, but root 4 is not an irrational number because root 4 you can extract it, which is 2. So that is not an irrational number. So these are your irrational numbers. By looking at this, you can write these are very simple, or you can go with a general process. This applies for any given number of numbers. Next, 7th and 8th are similar to these problems, so that is left to you to do it. If you have got any doubts, you can get in touch with my number, I'll explain. So that is it. Thank you.